Good day. So this is a product launch. It is a free form that you can create for yourself inside Ragic, and it really brings together the world of Ragic and WhatsApp through the API. The biggest challenge is always getting your contact database of emails and converting that into direct cell phone numbers so that you can speak directly to your customers. And the best way we found to do that is through combining Ragic and a WhatsApp. What the person does is you create a survey or a poll and you publish it on social media. You can publish it through email, whatever the mechanisms you want, very nicely styled and branded, and the user will receive that poll, click on a link. That link will have an answer that gets directly populated into your Ragic database, so you can actually see what people are voting for, requesting, and it immediately opens WhatsApp and allows that user then to send you a message automatically. So it really takes you from a database of email addresses immediately and very quickly through to a database of people's cell phone numbers that you can speak to them directly, simply by using a poll or survey. So very powerful. Okay, so let's get into a demo. So what we have here is we've got a Ragic form. This is what I call the designer. So here you actually design the content for your WhatsApp poll. You've got a description and instructions. You've got two versions of that, the WhatsApp version or just a normal version, and then you've got the poll question, and two versions of that. And then you've got each of the answers. So you can have an unlimited number of answers, and you can see as you actually type different answers, it'll change the link that you will use to publish your survey or your poll. So there you can see everything changes dynamically, and there you can see there's already a record at the bottom. Okay, so let's have a look at this form. Let's just clear this form out so that we have no poll answers or responses. Just save this survey design form, and then what we need to do is we copy the description or instructions, each of the elements, the actual question that we need, whether we want the WhatsApp version or just the normal version, and then we copy each link for the relevant answers that are available. So here we've got 3, so I copied each of those. And then what you would do is you can put them in any application. So here's an example where I'm putting this specific poll that we designed in Ragic, and I've previously pasted it into one of the Ragic community posts, and you can see that I put a little bit of formatting with my logo at the bottom, and you can see it comes out very nicely. So you can actually publish it in various formats. It can be online, it can be in an email, it can be WhatsApp. Here you can see I've done one in email using Gmail. So here of course you can change your branding and color schemes and make it look very professional. And there you can see the 3 different responses that people can give via WhatsApp and via the WhatsApp API, and you can make this look good. So I'm going to send this to myself as a test to show you how it works. So let me just, there you can see I'm sending it to myself. So I click send, go to my inbox, and there we have the message. So you can see nicely constructed. You can make it as professional as you want. We just use Ragic to design the poll. So now what we can do is we can actually click on this, and what this does is it actually opens up and creates a Ragic poll response record. So we recorded that they are interested, and when they click on the next button, it takes them straight to WhatsApp where they can now contact me back. So this is where you've gone from an email, and now immediately you have that person's cell phone contact details. So it's a fantastic, quick way and simple way to get from somebody's email details through to actually having their cell phone number. And there you can see there's the WhatsApp that came to Ragic Solution saying please contact me. And of course they can change it as they'd like. So that's really it. It creates a poll response record inside Ragic, takes them through to WhatsApp through the API, and immediately puts you in contact with them via the cell phone number. So very, very powerful. So now we go back to our poll record there. Hit refresh, and there you can see the first response to our poll or survey. And let's go back to the email that we sent out, and let's click on the third response, which creates the record automatically in Ragic for you, nicely branded. The customer clicks one link, and it automatically opens up their WhatsApp. They can type a custom message, click send, and that comes back to you as the company. So let's go and have a look at that, and there you can see there's that customized message that was just typed back to me as Ragic Solutions, and I can communicate directly with that person. So if we hit refresh, there we can see the second response. Okay. And here we can see, so just a reminder, you can have different formats. That one we would have posted on the community, which I will do once I've sent this video or uploaded this video. And you saw the response back. So I've just cleared out my business WhatsApp account, and now we're going to construct a business survey through WhatsApp Business. So I've copied the yellow blocks because that's specifically formatted for WhatsApp, and you'll see now why. Copy the questions and the poll responses that are available and put them into WhatsApp. Just need to make sure your spacing is correct. Just have one line between them. It just makes it look nice and doesn't make, otherwise it's a bit confusing. Just get rid of the icon there so I can look at it nicely and just check the format. Okay, so it looks good. Let's fire it off. So that's been sent to my personal account now. You can see with the bold and the italic, and that's really formatted in WhatsApp quite simply by the underline or the stars. So the stars and the underline will create italic or create bold text. So now let's go and have a look at that WhatsApp message. So there you can see in my personal WhatsApp account, I received a message from Ragic Solutions, and once again it's as simple as clicking on the link, which will create the survey response. And here you can see I've got a different format of the link to WhatsApp, so you can play with those formats and make it look the way you want. As I clicked on that link, it immediately opened up my WhatsApp, and the user just clicks send, and that's it. They connected with you. So very, very powerful. I hope you like it. Let me know in the community, and I'll find a way to share it with all of you for free. Last but not least, let's show how this works on your mobile phone. So here's the survey on my phone from Ragic Solutions to my personal account. I click on the link. It opens up a Ragic form which has auto-save set. There I can see that link from the last video. I can open up the link, and for now we'll just open up in a separate tab, and there it goes straight to the WhatsApp API, and it'll of course prompt to open up WhatsApp itself. So I'll open that up, and it's already started building the message for me, and I'll add a couple of emojis to the message. So yes, please contact me, Ragic Solutions. Click send, and now we'll go and have a look at my other WhatsApp Business app. You don't have to do all of this through WhatsApp Business. The API works with your personal account as well. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.